Very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chef Prasad Mitrani. I am the executive chef at Fairmont, Jaipur, India's most iconic palatial property. And I know everybody having a very tough time, and it's the most challenging time right now for everyone being at home. So we at Fairmont Jaipur and Accor Hotels want you all to enjoy the culinary experience at home along with Amul. So today I'm going to show you one of the recipes which I love specially, and during this time also with my wife, so she likes this recipe as well. So this is for you as well, Pranita. So today I'm going to make a linguine with cream sauce along with coriander pesto. Being in confinement, what is locally available, and Amul being having one of the best products, I think this is the best recipe I could show right now. So for that recipe we have the ingredients which are kept over here. So I would like to show you the ingredients. So we have olive oil, we have onion which is studded with the cloves, we have refined flour, we have garlic, some cashew nut, minced onion, some cheese, fresh cream. We have linguine pasta, so this is from Ricosa and it is around 6 minutes al dente. We have amazing products of Amul cheese, fresh Amul cream, Amul taza milk, fresh Amul butter and Amul pure ghee. I've kept some milk over here to heat it up along with the some bay leaf inside it, so just to flavor the milk a bit. And in this I'm going to add this onion cloud. This is called onion cloud. So onion is studded with the this cloves, so this gives a nice flavor to the milk. So we'll use this for a sauce. I have some fresh coriander also, which I've kept it in my pounder today. So fresh coriander pesto, which I'm going to make with little olive oil, garlic, and some cashew nuts to it. So to start off with, I would like to mince some onion, some garlic first. Some nice garlic. I would like to slice some nice garlic. The best part is that everything is locally produced. I got it from the local markets, all local vegetables. This is my homegrown little small basil, wild basil you can say. Some fresh garlic on this now. You need to really finely mince the onions and finely mince the garlic. So more finer, the more good flavor it will leave in the while you are cooking the sauce to it. So linguine is also kind of a long pasta, and it is, if you see, it is slightly flatter on side. So we're going to make around a portion of linguine, so I'm going to take a little bit. So around a handful of linguine. And my water is boiled, so I'm just going to put it over here till the time the pasta gets ready. It usually takes 6 minutes for a pasta. It takes 6 minutes for a pasta to cook, but we will cook it a little bit more longer because in India people like to eat slightly softer pasta. So since this is a home recipe, I think we will cook it a little You can see the milk is nicely boiling with some bay leaf, onion. This will give a nice flavor to the milk, and we will use this milk in our sauce. So it will give a great flavor to our sauce. So we have onion, garlics, we have the onion started with the cloves, we have bay leaf, we have the milk, we have a nice flavorful the kind of a liquid which we'll add in stock when we will make the sauce over here, which is the cream cheese sauce. So to make the sauce, to make the sauce, I'm heating the pan. I'm taking a bit of olive oil. I also have some frozen butter with me. So this is frozen Amul butter. So I'll add a little bit while making the sauce. This will give an extra rich texture to the sauce. So I'm adding a bit, couple of cubes of it. And the rest we will add it while we're finishing it up. So this is the first step. We are going to make a white roux. So we take a little bit of olive oil, little bit of butter. We don't want to burn it. Otherwise it will give a nutty flavor to our roux, and then the sauce color will change. So we're just going to melt the butter. Nicely. And add around 15 grams of refined flour to it. And we just cook that refined flour in that butter and olive oil emulsion. You will get a nice aroma of refined flour being cooked along with the butter. It will give a nice nutty taste to it. In this we're going to add around 10 grams of onion. Around a little bit of garlic. And cook this further. So you will get a nice onion flavor, garlic flavor, along with this nice nutty refined flour roux, which is what we are going to make. Don't forget that in between you have to keep on stirring your pasta, or else stick to each other. So there you see, you can see your flour, onion, garlic, everything is cooked really nicely. Hello everyone, check whether the video is working or not. Yeah, this is working. So I think there was some the video
again put the